Welcome to Lesson 13 of the American English Pronunciation course. One thing that can be confusing for students is that the letter T in written English can have 6 different sounds in spoken English. This causes problems not only in your pronunciation, but also in your listening, because you might not recognize some words that you already know when you hear them spoken by native English speakers. In this lesson, you're going to learn all 6 possible pronunciations of the letter T, with common words for you to practice listening and repeating. Pronunciation number 1. Normal T. When T is the first letter of a word or of a stressed syllable, it usually has a normal T sound. This is the sound we practiced last lesson. Team, task, time, to, tough, attach, between, pretend. Pronunciation number 2. T like a fast D. When the letter T is in the middle of the word, between 2 vowels, and often at the beginning of an unstressed syllable, it has the sound of a fast D in American English. You can hear the difference if you compare the British and American pronunciations of these 2 words.
Water,
Water,
notice,
notice. Listen to and repeat these words, pronouncing the T as a fast D. Letter, butter, little, computer, whatever, beautiful, meeting, getting, ability, bottom, artificial, attic. Here are some typical cases when the T is pronounced like a fast D, when the word ends in TER, especially in comparative adjectives. Smarter, later, tighter, daughter, cheater, writer. When the word ends in TING, writing, sitting, waiting, letting, exciting, repeating. And when the word ends in TY, capacity, celebrity, humanity, reality, city, dirty, pity, 80, sweaty. Pronunciation number 3. T like ch. In some combinations of letters like TR, TUE, and TURE, the T sounds like the ch in watch. We practiced this a little bit last lesson, but let's continue with some new words. Trick, treasure, trade, tradition, tropical, truck, country, entry, chemistry, artistry, statue, virtue, picture, nature, mixture, literature, capture, posture, situation, mutual. Pronunciation number 4. T-I like sh. In words with T-I-O-N and T-I-O-U-S, the letters T-I have a sh sound, like in the word she. Emotion, national, relation, evolution, condition, action, ambitious, nutritious, cautious, flirtatious. Pronunciation number 5. T as a glottal stop. What exactly is a glottal stop? Well, the space between your vocal cords is called the glottis. To make a glottal stop, you close this space, stopping the flow of air in your throat and not in your mouth. One example is in the middle of the word uh-uh. That's an informal way to say no in English. Notice how the sound stops for a moment, but my mouth doesn't close. It's because I'm stopping the sound in my throat. This is a glottal stop. Uh-uh. The letter T becomes a glottal stop in 2 situations. In the middle of a word after a vowel N or R and before N, M, or L. Listen and repeat. Partner, fitness, department, Atlantic, treatment, forgotten, written, eaten. Listen to the difference in the word partner, pronounced incorrectly with a normal T sound and correctly with the T as a glottal stop. Partner, partner. The letter T at the end of a word is also pronounced as a glottal stop. Cat, but, get, foot, what, start, light, put, shirt, hot. It sounds like the T disappears, but it is still there. It is just pronounced as a glottal stop. The sound cuts off very quickly. These 3 examples show the difference. Seat, seat, see. Can you hear the difference between seat and see? Pronunciation number 6. Disappearing T. This varies from person to person, and it depends on the region the speaker is from. But in some words, the sound of the letter T really disappears, especially when there is an N or S before it. Interview, center, advantage, wanted, I don't like it, he didn't come to the party. The facts are all true. It costs $9. I just finished the course. This pronunciation isn't so important for you to do in your spoken English, but it's important for you to know that it exists so that you can understand native speakers better. Practice sentences. Try to say these at normal speed. Normal T. Tara's talking about the time she took a class with a terrific teacher. I got 10 tickets to the talk on Tuesday at 12. T like a fast D. Put a little bit of butter on the bottom of the pan. I'm sitting here waiting for the writers' meeting to begin. T like ch. I try to take interesting pictures of tropical trees. My country has a strong culture and many traditions. T-I like sh. I'm too emotional to take action in this situation. The leader of the revolution is ambitious and pretentious. T as a glottal stop. I'm fat. What can I do to get fit without going on a diet? My partner put the football helmet next to the white shirt. Disappearing T. I didn't want to take advantage of the situation. I just found out it costs more at the shopping center. You finished Lesson 13 of the American English Pronunciation course. Tomorrow, we're going to study one of the most problematic sounds in English, the TH sound.